Hello, I'm Justin Fursov, and this is the midterm project. It's lab 14, I think. And so here it is. We have the zybo board here. Take a good look at that. This is Z720 coming out of this JB connector is actually your UART or I2C serial port interconnect. So you got, let me get that right. Okay, S clock, SDA, ground, and 3.3 volts. And they have to be right there on the top row. So SDA, then S clock, and then on the left is 3.3 volts, and then the black is the ground. So we have this connected over the USB because I didn't have the pmod USB connector, and so when I actually built this project the first time, I was having issues because I wanted to use the on-chip one. So what you do there is you just go onto the Zinc processing system, you double click on that, and then that should allow you to take a look at the PSPL configuration. And over here you can change the baud rate. So UART1 baud rate, I set it to 115.2. I still have the fabric interrupts up here. And then for the peripheral IOs, here's the UART1 that's turned on. Everything else is turned off, except I left the Ethernet and quad SPI, but it was fine for this run. When you look at the elaborated design, you could look at these IO ports here. So I have the pmod out ports, and I have them set to the correct pins so that they'll be connected to the JB connector. And the reason why that happens is because you have this temp 3 out. So this is external port, and so if you have an external port, when you do the RTL analysis, you get these scalar ports here. So this is actually quite a few ports. We got like 8 of them or 10 of them for the pmod. And then the other thing is you got to make it 3.3 volts. So that's there. Okay. So you export that and you put it into the software file, and then to take a look, right here I have it set up so I have the hardware and software, and actually I could open terminal here and then so this is how you set up a Git repository. So I have the export in there, an IP repo, TMP3. That's what I called my project. So this IP repo is what I actually imported from Git. The software, this is where you have the app and the app system files. So yeah, thank you very much. And now you see this temperature coming out. If I press on the IC, you can see it got a little bit hotter. If I let go, it'll go back down. So yeah, it's working real time. Thank you.